In this video, I'm going to show you how to pour concrete correctly so your project turns out solid and smooth without any mess-ups. Alright, so first off, when you're pouring concrete, it's super important to do it in layers instead of dumping it all at once. Like pour a bit, then level it out before adding more. That way you avoid air pockets that can weaken the whole thing. Speaking of air pockets, using a concrete vibrator is clutch because it shakes out all the trapped air and helps the concrete settle nicely into every corner. If you don't have one, tapping the sides of your form with a hammer or rod can also help get rid of bubbles. Next, keep an eye on your leveling. Use a straight edge or screed board to drag across the top and make sure everything is even. After screeding, float the surface to smooth it out and bring some of those tiny rocks down below the top layer for a cleaner finish. Don't forget to check your mix too. Too dry makes it hard to work with, but too wet means it won't hold up well once it sets. Also, pour concrete when the weather is mild because extreme heat or cold can really mess with curing and strength. One of the biggest mistakes I see is rushing the pour and skipping those layers, which traps air and causes cracks later on. Another common slip-up is not using vibration or tapping enough, so you end up with weak spots that crumble over time. Lastly, people often forget to level properly right after pouring, which leads to uneven surfaces that are a pain to fix and look unprofessional. BigHomeProjects.com is an awesome spot if you're looking to connect with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to concrete work or any home projects. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself, it's a great way to get leads and grow your business by reaching homeowners who need help with big jobs.